I am going to obey this this instruction, which says now you ask Jim Hunt and Tony Pollock and the members of the City Council Common Committee, Sal Lamartina, Bill Linehan, and its chair, Mike Ross, if they would all come forward and unveil the sign, which is would be the official beginning of the work here. And then don't go away, because I have a little more to say after that.
We will do as told. Come on up here.
We're still trying to keep it.
Henry, come on up. Henry, get Henry in the front. Henry, get in the front. Follow your marching orders. It's on your list. Come on up here. Okay. Private, public-private partnership. We're gonna fight over who gets the answer. Come on, Henry. Ready? Ready, set, go. Okay.